My name is Hannah Roberts, and this is my student introduction for this course. Here's an overview of the things I will be addressing in this video. First, starting with a little more about me. I'm a middle school teacher. I'm in my first year of teaching, and I teach an 8th grade physical science class at Youth Middle School, which is part of the Walton County School District in Loganville, Georgia. I have a bachelor's degree in middle grades education, so I graduated last May with that, and I'm also pursuing an ESOL endorsement. I'm currently pursuing a master's degree in middle grades education, and I'll finish that this summer as I finish up my gifted endorsement, and so I'm really excited about that. And then as far as professional insights, I just put a couple goals on here. One is taking on more leadership roles at school, and that's why I've kind of pursued my master's, but also pursued some endorsements along with that. I feel like as I take on more leadership roles while staying in the classroom, it's important to know how to best equip and teach different types of students. And then a personal goal of mine is to move to Boston. I spent a summer up there 2 years ago, and I just really grew to love the city and the people there. Alright, so 2 quick things I wanted to address as something I remember through my experience of gifted education as a student and a teacher. As a student, I had the issue of, when I was in high school, I found that whenever I finished work early, my teachers would kind of give me more work instead of maybe enriching learning. But even on the teacher aspect of that, I have students who are early finishers and are clearly gifted, and I'm kind of stuck on how to, enrich their learning without giving them more work. So that's something I'm really excited to learn more about because I've seen that on both sides. And then another issue is I feel like some teachers don't really receive proper training on how to identify students who are gifted. And so I just don't want any gifted students to fall through the cracks because no one kind of identified that in them. So my most favorite aspect of gifted education would be allowing the space for students to learn in their own creative ways, but also construct their own learning. I think that's a more student-centered approach to learning, and I think it's great curriculum for all students. And then my least favorite aspect would probably be learning how to balance the workload that comes with planning great lessons that meets the needs and interests of all gifted students, because there's a lot of work that comes with being a teacher, and so I just don't want that to be bumped down on the totem pole. But overall, I'm really excited to take this course and get to know everyone more as we learn and grow together.